go forward with our another distinguished delegate from Bahrain, and I give floor to you.
The government of Kingdom has followed up under the royal directives of His Majesty King Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa, King of the country, and the governmental decision headed by His Royal Highness Prince Khalifa bin Salman Al Khalifa, Prime Minister, as well as the national efforts of Bahrain national team led by His Royal Highness Prince Salman bin Hamad Al Khalifa, Crown Prince. All vital economics indicators from January to April 2020, the period of spread of the virus globally. The government reviewed the measures that were undertaken in the countries of the world. So it was keen when launching the financial and economic support package to focus on the sectors most affected in order to support them in addressing the outcome of COVID-19 outbreak. The financial and economic support package amounted with Bahraini dinars 4.3 billion, equivalent to 32.2% of GDP of the kingdom's economy, whereas the percentage was reached by any country in the world. It has a great impact to stimulating the economy and commercial movement, while continuing to pump liquidity into the local market and supporting the many affected economy sectors. Dear guests, the financial economics package included 8 initiatives, which was focused on paying Bahrainis employee salaries in the private sectors for 3 months, paying the electricity and water bills, exemption for paying the municipality fees and for 3 months, exemption for paying the land lease and governmental industries for a period of 3 months, exempting tourist establishment and facilities from paying the tourist fees, doubling the size of the liquidity funds to reach 200 Bahraini million dinars in order to support companies and SMEs. Last June, the cabinet decision extending the support of workers' salary in the private sectors for additional 3 months, July, August, and September. Before giving the floor to my brother and colleagues, His Excellency Dr. Muhammad Ali Al-Khuzai, member of Shura Council, to review the achievements of the health sectors in the Kingdom of Bahrain in addressing the pandemic, and I would like to conclude by stressing the need to focus our attention in coming period as an MPs and governments on the education sectors to protect the future of our children at different levels of education and make sure that safety measures in addressing COVID-19 will not be a reason for delaying it. Thank you.
Yes, Bahrain has the floor. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Madam Chairman. Dear friends and colleagues, since the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic, the Kingdom of Bahrain has adopted an integrated governmental approach in order to respond to this virus. This had a great impact in slowing down the spread of the disease. Under the royal directives of His Majesty King Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa, King of Bahrain, efforts were united to confront the pandemic to preserve the health and safety of its citizens and residents. Honorable members of the APA, the Bahrain national team to confront the pandemic included representatives from all government organizations who took all precautionary measures to mobilize the public. The government of Bahrain allocated necessary funds to increase the capacity of hospitals, quarantine, isolation, and laboratory testing sites, and put a plan in place to secure stocks needed to carry laboratory tests, intensive care, and protection equipment. The approved treatment protocols in the kingdom have proven very effective in the recovery of a large number of cases, as the kingdom has attained the rate of exceeding 85% with only 5,000 cases and under treatment now. out of a total of 29,000 cases. Bahrain was the first Arab country to test the first vaccine and start a clinical trials of a treatment with blood plasma. Today, the Kingdom of Bahrain exceeds the barrier of 600,000 tests to test the virus, which makes it ranked among the first 3 countries globally in terms of the rate of tests of the total population. These indicators prove the efficiency of the health system in the kingdom and its strong, distinguished infrastructure. Moreover, experts of the World Health Organization have praised the kingdom's procedures and measures in responding with the pandemic. In conclusion, the Kingdom of Bahrain has set forth health and protection of its people as a primary goal to confront the coronavirus. Furthermore, Bahrain is providing assistance to develop medical staff and team in accordance with the latest standards. The impressive performance of the health sector in the kingdom in addressing the pandemic has been reflected by achieving high results, international acclaim, and national humanitarian support in light of the royal directives to harness all difficulties to face the repercussions of this pandemic. Thank you for your kind attention.